Meaning of elapsed time.
Elapsed time.
Elapsed time.
Elapsed time.
Elapsed time. Elapsed time refers to the amount of time that is passed between the beginning and end of a particular event or process. This term is often used in the context of software programming, where developers may measure the elapsed time to help with performance optimization. Measuring elapsed time involves recording the start and end times of the event or process, then calculating the time difference between them. This can be done using code or specialized tools. By analyzing the elapsed time, developers can identify areas where their software may be slow or inefficient and take steps to optimize it for better performance.